Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez and today I'm going to show you what I have here. This was sent to me this morning and it's a stick actually, or a stand for my iPhone, and I have the iPhone here. Plus, of course, I have the selfie stick that I got before. This is awesome because I can always use this when I'm out, but I realized that I need something that's at least longer than this or taller than this, so I can put it on the floor. So let's try opening this, and after that, once we're done, I'm going to test it and I will show you also later on. So let's just open what we have. So it's a big box, but actually I also have the ring, like the light ring. So let's see. This is freshly delivered, and of course they always put this plastic to just make sure that the product is well covered, so for shipping. So we have the UV size. It's a big box, so we're removing the box, the first box, and we have the other one now. So let's just check inside. We have to have this equipment because sometimes the light is not really good, so we can use this. So I have the selfie stick that I have been using for maybe 5 months now. And there's another box in the box, smaller box, so that's done. Oh, there's actually maybe another one here. So let's put that on the floor and let's open this first. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is for the iPhone or the Android. That's this small equipment that has to be attached. So this is your iPhone that you can attach from here. There you go, that's pretty cute. So we just have to figure out how to use this. So let's open this too. And this is just unboxing right now. Later on, once we figure this out, we will make a video also, or a small clip out of it, short clip. Okay, there is the stand. As you can see, it looks light and sturdy, so it's pretty cool. And let's see what we have in this one now. We have another box here. Oh, this is the ring light. Okay, so that's nice. So we have the ring light, and we have the stand, and also we have this small equipment that we can attach the iPhone. So we're going to take picture out of it later. So this is very simple. It can stand up to 51 inches, which is nice. So like that, and just have to do it like this. And you see there's the clip. You just have to unhook it. So you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just keep opening it until you get the desired outcome. So now, there you go, we're putting it on the floor, so just to show you. And there, plus of course that one. This is really nice. So then you have to clip it again. Do the same thing for the bottom, so at least it stands up well. And the clip again. And you can also push this up. So there, this is very nice. And now, we just have to insert this. What we're going to do now, before we put the ring light, we can attach first the phone holder. So we're just gonna use the top one for now. And there is this clip here at the side. You can just open it And then, so let's just make sure that we do this properly so it doesn't break. So we are going to attach it. You can also do it at the very bottom or whatever height you prefer. So there you go. It's attached right now. We are just gonna unlock it for now. So there's this small clip, and then you have to lock on the left side. So pull the left side, you hear the click, and there's the phone where you can put your iPhone or Android. So we just have to pull this too. There's you can just pull this towards you and you can put the phone. So let's try putting the phone right now. And this is like 360 degrees. So once you have the phone, I have actually a stand, or I have this at the end of the part, the back of my phone. So we're just gonna make sure that it will still come in, get in. So let's try doing that. There you go. Pull it. So I'll just pull it towards me so I can do it. There's my phone. So now this is attached. So that's what we have right now. And you can actually, you can go like that or whatever position you want. So you can just adjust it from the back. So you can lock it once you know the desired position that you want for your phone. So let's just say it's like this. So I'm just adjusting it from the back. So that's where the lock is. You just have to turn this to lock, and there you go. That's very nice. And of course, we are going to put that ring light now. So what we do again, this is very easy. So this is also adjustable. The good thing with this too is you can use this as even a lamp when you're studying or doing work. So you can adjust this too, you see. And then you just lock it again like that, and there. And this also you can adjust it, like if you want this sideways. So you can just, again, do it from the back and then adjust the phone like that, or even the other way around, because I mentioned this is like 360 degrees. So you can always go at that side, on the other side, or you can just turn your stand. So let's just do it like this now. So there, really nice. It's simple, and I have the cord here. This is also the USB. So we have here the adjust the you have to adjust the light. It's either, actually we have the user manual here still in front of me. So there you go, how to do it. But it's even just looking at the product, you can do it right away without reading this brightness. So the minus sign here shows the brightness or the dimness, brightness down or brightness up. So that's what it is here. And then you just charge this. Plus we also have the camera or the phone, the iPhone or the Android. So that is very nice. Like you just click this, turn it on and off. There, we have a nice product that we got from online shopping, and this is perfect for doing your video, your blogging, or anything that, even makeup, you can actually do it for your makeup too. So there you go. It's really nice, and now we are going to show you too how to let it be shorter while here. So there's this clip again. So there, and then you just keep unclipping it. And then the last one we have, and you can put it on your table. So you can also clip it or adjust the height still by opening this more, so you can just lower that and then flip it again or tighten it. So you can, this is actually can still go down. So let's try putting it down. So that's where the camera is. Cannot. Let's just adjust this there. So there you go. Let's make this balance. So that's the stand and that's the lower part. You want it on the table, and don't forget to clip this to like from this side. So there you go. We have the clip here. So just keep clicking, and I'm actually right now I just have to use it later on, but I am happy what I got here. So you can see this is very simple, and we have a stand with the ring light for my iPhone, and if you don't have the iPhone, the Android will do it. So now I'm going to show you that the tripod can also be used as a stick or selfie, and before we did the ring light. So we are just removing this. Remember, we clipped this, and now we're going to unclip it so we can use this as a regular selfie stick. So you just have to be careful when removing it so it doesn't break. There you go. So we just pull it again and remove the iPhone or the Android, whatever you have. So before we put it here on top, let's just, this is a lot easier to do it right now. So, okay. Let's just do it from here. So it's right here. This here to the tripod so we can use it. So we're just going to hook it again. It's just, there you go. So the same concept, actually we can also lower this down. It's the other way around too. There's the screw here. You can either turn your phone or just use this screw. So there. So that since this is standing, we are just going to lift this up and then like that. Close this and hook it again or tighten this, and there you now have a selfie stick. So you can just do it like that, or you can even remove this if it's, there you go. So now we have the selfie stick, and you can use this instead of like to control it. We have the one button for the iPhone and also for the Samsung or the Android. So there you go, another selfie stick we have, because I also have this one that can also be adjusted. But if you're going somewhere that you need longer stick, you can use this, because this go all the way up to 51 inches. And you can also actually use this as the camera stand, because once you remove or unhook the top of the iPhone, then you can replace it with the camera. So we have a really nice product here that we got from online shopping. And this is Arlene Mendez. If you like my video, you can hit the notification bell so you will be updated with the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and God bless us all. Bye for now.